Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just finished this one, wonderful. We're going to do a chicken potato curry with coconut milk. Now, it's not spicy, this one, or it's not that spicy. We've got some cinnamon in there, star anise. It's got some lovely kind of fragrances in it. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we're going to need. So let's take a look at these ingredients for this really simple curry. I've got here chicken breast, no skin, no bone. If you wanted, you could be using chicken thighs. There's about 2 decent sized breasts there. 1 large onion chopped really nice and small. Here I've got some coconut milk, 1 can, which is the equivalent of 400 ml. Spices, this is what we're using today. Now if you wanted, you could just use a straight curry powder that you may have. I'm using 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. Some fresh chilies to taste, up to you. 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, finely minced, or 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste if you wanted. A little bit of whole seeds, our whole garam masala. I'm using some cinnamon, a little bit of cumin, and there I've got some star anise pieces. Cilantro or coriander. And here we've got potatoes. It's like 2 cups of potatoes, or kind of like 1 large potato. And I've cut them really small and quite thin, so they cook quite quickly. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, add a little salt. That's about it. Okay, here we go. So I've got a large frying pan here. You need a pot or some sort of pan. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. And we're going to start off by dropping in our whole seeds. And today, like I say, I'm using cinnamon, star anise, and just a few, like a teaspoon maybe, or half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And what we want to do is just get them infusing that oil. As the oil gets hot, these seeds or whole spices will infuse the oil and give it a nice flavour, so please don't skip this stage. Just a few seconds there. First we're going to start off with our potatoes, because these are raw. They're going to go in. And I want to fry these around on quite a lively heat for about 4 minutes. So as you can see, we've just got a little bit of colour on these potatoes. Just giving them a nice head start. What we're going to do now is add in our onion. Looks like I say I've cut quite small. We're going to add our garlic ginger paste. So like I said, there's like 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste there. And then we're going to add our chicken breast, which I've cut into cubes. Like I said, there's no skin, no bone in this. And we're going to go for another 4 minutes, say, roughly, frying this around, again on a fairly lively heat. Super. Okay, next up, let's get some spices in there. Right, first, our fresh chili. Up to you as to how much you put in. I'd like to get some salt in here now. Salt to taste. And then we're going to go in with those powders. Let's just take one more look at them. Equal parts of chili powder, cumin, coriander and turmeric. If you wanted, you could be using a curry powder of your choice. Staying on this lively heat. Keep it moving a little bit. We're very nearly done actually. Really lovely colours happening here now. So we're now going to add in our coconut milk. We're going to add a little drop of water, maybe a 1/4 cup of water or something like that. We're going to turn the heat down to just above a simmer, not a simmer, just above. Give that a stir. and let that go now for about 5 to 6 minutes. We're moments away from having a lovely, beautiful chicken potato coconut curry. Give it a stir every now and then. Fabulous. Okay, off goes the heat. As you can see, that's kind of changed colour somewhat, kind of got that kind of deeper yellow, thickened nicely. Those potatoes are going to be beautiful, the chicken's going to be super tender. Check that for salt, you might want to add a bit more. Now, before I get lots of emails, why did I put some water in there? The reason being is that the coconut milk can burn quite easily, so a little bit of water in there just kind of helps it on its way. We're going to finish this off with a little bit of cilantro or coriander. We're going to mix that in, and you've got yourself a really nice, easy chicken potato curry there. I love this one. In fact, I don't like this with rice, I like this with like bread, you know, roti or chapati or paratha. I can sort of dip it in small pieces so I can get it in there with the bread and pick it up. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon for notifications. Keep updated with what we're doing. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.